So sadly, Mervin has forgotten or dropped one side of his shoe in the parking lot. So he won't be able to ride with me today, but he will be driving next to me.
Droning.
So he can carry my bottles. I don't have to carry any bottles today.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that sucks, man. So tomorrow we have to ride again.
Tomorrow I'm going to collect my race bit. Later lah, you think? On in it.
No, no on, no on.
Don't be lazy.
So that's Mervin back there. Sorry, he can't ride today. My support crew. Yo, yo, yo! So the weather looks kind of nice now. Getting a bit cloudy. Let's hopefully it stays so. Otherwise it's gonna be a really hot day. You know what? I forgot to bring sunblock. Anyway, we're heading up Hantu. It's been a while. Oops. Better not mess with that. Check that out. The monkeys have conquered the road. Holy shit. Taking a short break. Gonna be climbing back up again, Hantu. That did not look pleasant at all. I have to try to zoom in so you guys can have a better look at the sheer amount of monkeys over there. I'll have to be passing by that later. Anyway, breaks up. Time to go up Hantu once again. I got one more up.
This is the plan. Yeah, I want to put my drone there from the lake there. I'm gonna take your shot. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Set up.
But yeah,
here.
that doesn't matter. I'm heading back to Hantu.
Oh, okay.
I'm doing one more round. Hey, Daggy. Get it quiet. Yeah!
My balls. like the one right, I do drone tips.
Can?
That's a 10 ringgit.
No, you sell the stock photo? Stock video.
Don't give ideas.
You heard that right? Do it now, do it now. Missed this road. Not been on Peras in so long. So awesome. But I have no idea how long I can take or how long I can go, because there still might be landslides up ahead. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You can hear them chopping some trees up there. It's probably not a good idea. I have no idea what's going on. It's very quiet, and like, you could cycle in here, but you're not allowed to drive in. I'm guessing that they're still doing some works further up ahead. I've not reached there yet, not even halfway yet. Just taking my time, looking around, taking in the scenery, and also in awe of all the destruction. So, okay, so we're gonna make a small little mini challenge. I will be cycling from Batu 18 to 14. Mervin will be driving.
Yeah.
And let's see who gets there first.
Yeah, we're gonna race.
Alright, I'm gonna...
Want to have a head start? Well, I'm just taking my own sweet time. Wow, he's already gone. Yes. Thank you, bro. Yeah, the road is clear. Spotted someone in my... There he is. Told you I can take my own sweet time and I still arrive earlier. Weather is so hot, but he's so stubborn enough not to join me in the car. Look at the traffic I'm in, and he is already far ahead. And I'm stuck here. No.
So looks like we made it to the car first before Mervin. I think he's just like about 10 to 15 minutes behind because of the traffic light. Peace.